There are 195 countries on the planet, and every country has its own emergency alert system. Last year, I rated some of those alarms, so to celebrate hitting 1 million subscribers, I am going to rate every EAS alarm on the planet.
Hell no, man.
And we are going to figure out which country has the scariest alarm on the planet. Your country is on here. The first alarm I found was from the land of anime, Japan.
緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。
So this is an earthquake warning. Japan is trying to keep people calm, and that's probably why they made it so not scary. But Japan does have a second alarm. They played this alarm after North Korea launched a nuke at them. We'll give it a listen. Yeah, that one's scarier. That's a 7 out of 10. Now it's the Iraq alarm. I like the random building just chilling there. The scariest part about the alarm is when you don't hear it anymore and you just know that something's coming for you or someone. 10 out of 10. Next alarm is from the Philippines. That's the Philippines, yeah. Let's rate this alarm. That's an iPhone alarm. It's kind of tame. Like, if there's an earthquake, I want you to hype me up, you know, make me feel like there's an earthquake. They have another alarm. This one they play on television.
Ito po si FIVOX Director Renato Sundug. Sa drill scenario pong ito, gumalaw na...
There's a lot of talking. I don't know what's happening. I don't speak Tagalog. Damn! What is this? What the hell? Now that's what I'm talking about. That is some hype right there. 9.5 out of 10. That is an excellent alarm. Next, we're rating Sweden. Somebody recorded this footage from their bedroom window. It's a siren alarm. Imagine waking up to that sound and then you go outside and you're the only person there and everyone's just gone. 7 out of 10. Saudi Arabia.
لقد أطلق الدفاع المدني بالمنطقة الشرقية صفارة إنذار الخطر. عليك باتباع ما يلي.
It's not scary. It's kind of just a guy talking.
Civil defense in the eastern
Yo,
province
what the heck?
has found a
That guy's
danger
speaking
alarm
English.
siren. Danger alarm siren. Please proceed as follows. Put on your gas mask.
Gas mask? What? I don't have a gas mask. Who owns gas masks? This is their missile siren. Look at that flashy light thing. Whoa! 3 out of 10. Try again, Saudis. Yeah. Okay, Afghanistan. That's a mid-tier alarm as well. Slightly better. That's a 5 out of 10. Canada! Canada time. Let's see what they got. If you hear this alarm, they're about to drop some nukes on you. That's a 10 out of 10. Traveling back to Asia. South Korea.
여기는 국민안전처 민방위 경보 통교소입니다.
Imagine you're just trying to watch some K-pop and then that comes on. That would make me cry. So I'm gonna give that a 7 out of 10. Now we're in China.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I swear to God, this is like in a horror movie as the world's about to end or something. This is an earthquake EAS alarm and the voice is counting down, and when it gets to 1, that's when the tremor hits. I didn't know that last year. I don't understand what the voice is saying, and yes, I am incredibly racist. I'm not the same person anymore. So I give it a 10 out of 10. We're rating Palestine now. Woo! I'm just gonna ignore that. I'm not even gonna bless that with a rating. That was terrible. Next one. Israel. Israel? How do you say that?
Israel.
Maybe I'm just desensitized to alarms at this point, but like, that's just not scary. This alarm plays whenever they're like going to war with someone. I don't know why, but they do that sometimes. So let's listen to this. Look at the people running. They think it's scary. You know what? 7 out of 10. Iran. This alarm was only ever used once during a propaganda video that Iran made. This is an official government EAS alarm though. Yeah. So you got a plane just dropping nukes and then you can hear the alarm in the background. Iran made this. Even if the alarm isn't that scary, the visuals from this video is scary. That's a 9 out of 10. Taiwan. Where is Taiwan? Where's Taiwan gone? Taiwan has gone missing. Taiwan, there we go. Found it, Taiwan, okay. That's not scary. Like if I was about to get hit with a missile, I wouldn't want that to be the last thing I hear. That's a 2 out of 10. Okay, I've never heard of Algeria before, but I'm just gonna rate the alarm. Sounds like an ambulance, so let's go 3 out of 10. Now we're rating Brazil. I can't be in the same room when this alarm plays. I gotta leave, it's too scary. Yeah, that's a 10 out of 10. I didn't even have to listen to it. That was scary. It'll knock your shoes off. Now we're rating Mexico.
Típica. Lo cierto es que las causas.
Wow.
Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica.
What's the voice saying? That's so ominous. 5 out of 10. Okay, Malaysia. Damn, they're just blaring it in the streets, bro. They did not hold back with that one. 9 out of 10. Indonesia. This is a TV alarm.
Bersumber.
Whoa. No one told me there was gonna be a baddie. The alarm is not super scary, so 4 out of 10. Don't ask for any more, Indonesia, or I'll come over there and I'll kick you. Next we're rating Singapore. Little birdie flew by. It's the end of the world, but he don't care. He gotta go eat some nuts or whatever birds do. 7 out of 10. Albania. Dracula is from here. No, he isn't. Aw, Normie. You're so stupid. I can't rate this one alone. I'm gonna bring my child in to help. Child, rate this alarm.
What will I rate it? I'm gonna rate that a 2 out of 10 because 2 rhymes with you. And you're ugly.
That's kind of mean. Well, I mean, the child said it, so 2 out of 10. Andora. Andora, 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 the explorer. It sounds a lot like the Philippines alarm, but worse. It's worse. Boo, you suck. 4 out of 10. Angola? Is that a real country? Okay, let's rate it. 7 out of 10. It's quite fast. It's a little ominous. It's like this sound is staring into your soul. Antigua and Barbuda. Nah, that's straight up just like a rap remix. That is not scary. 0 out of 10. Armenia. It sounds like someone's snoring. Oh. So that's 10 out of 10 right there. Oh, New Zealand. That one's tame, but they have another alarm and it's an earthquake alarm. There's a lot of earthquakes in New Zealand. If they move even 1 inch to the right, they will literally fall off the earth. 6 out of 10. Next is the Australian Bushfire emergency alarm. I heard this when it first broadcast. I was there. You don't know what it was like.
You are in danger and need to act immediately to survive. The safest option is to take shelter indoors immediately. It is too late to leave.
It's too late to leave? That one traumatized me.
You must take shelter before the fire arrives. The extreme heat is likely to kill you well before the flames reach you. When you leave, remember to take your pets, mobile phone and charger.
Yeah, take all your pets. We did that when we left. The fire was attacking us and we had to run. People were looting in the streets. 1,000 out of 10. Ukraine alarm. Not a super scary alarm. 5.225 out of 10. Russia, we're doing Russia now.
Ветер юго-западный, 2 метра в секунду.
That's not scary.
Говорит Главное управление МЧС России по Ульяновской области. Проводится техническое...
That was a drag. Holy moly. 0 out of 10. Boring. Austria. If I heard this in the middle of the night, that would give me trauma. That's an 8 out of 10. I don't recognize this flag. It's from Amsterdam. That's not scary. 2 out of 10. Aruba. Oh, that was scary. 7 out of 10. Put it on the chart. The Bahamas. Yeah, that was scary. 8 out of 10. We're rating Bahrain next. Mid. 5 out of 10. Bangladesh. That's the sussiest alarm I've heard today. Very sus. 4 out of 10. Barbados. Baba boy. 0 out of 10. It's a vibe. It's an aesthetic. It's not scary. This country's alarm. I put the flag up. I have no idea what this country's called. That was actually kind of creepy. I'm gonna give that a 6 out of 10. Belgium! Whoa! Oh! I fell over. That was so scary. It knocked me off my feet. 8 out of 10. Belize? What sort of name is Belize? Scary! 7 out of 10. Let's go. Benin. Oh, watch out! Here comes Evil Sonic, and he's gonna beat you up. 6 out of 10. The Bermuda, like the Bermuda Triangle. That's a scary alarm. If I was gonna abduct someone in the Bermuda, that would scare me away. I'd be like, no thank you, I'm not doing this today. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Bhutan. Bhutan's a 2 out of 10. It sounds like the soundtrack for a really bad movie, like a crappy romance movie or something. It's cringe. Bolivia. Are you hearing this? That's the sound of the least intimidating thing I've ever heard. 0 out of 10. Botswana. Botswana? Sus name. Yeah, that was a little scary. 7.5. I never even heard of this country, but their alarm sucks. 3 out of 10. Brunei! They just took the sound of an ambulance and were like, yep, that's our alarm. That's it right there. No, 0 out of 10. Bulgaria! It was too scary for your mind to even comprehend. 10 out of 10. Burkina Faso. It's like an alien language. That is creepy. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. Hey, calm down, okay? I know it's controversial, but I think that they earned it. I think it's scary. Burundi. Oh, I got egg on my suit. This is your fault, Burundi. 6 out of 10. Yeah. Cape Verde. I can barely hear it. Oh, okay, that's scary. I ain't doing that. I ain't doing this. Nah, I quit. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Cambodia. I liked the car horns. Nothing else was good about that. 3 out of 10. Cameroon, I have no idea where this country is. I'm gonna point to a random place. I'm sweating, bro. What is that sound? 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Central African Republic. Sorry, I'm invisible now. That's a 5 out of 10 though. Romania! Very scary. That's a 7 out of 10. Again? Another 7 out of 10? This guy just keeps rating everything 7 out of 10. Chile. That alarm does have power to it. I'm gonna say 6 out of 10. China. Wait! I already rated China! You're not getting a higher rating, China. I've already rated you. Christmas Islands. Nah, not scary. You've been rejected. Yeah! Next is the Cocos Islands. That's the same one! What the heck? These scumbags, they copy-pasted the other guy's alarm. They can't keep getting away with this. Next is Colombia. I have a friend who lives in Colombia. I'm gonna call him so that he can rate it instead. Yo, Steve. Steve? Yeah, I'm making a video where I rate EAS alarms. Do you want to rate the Colombian alarm? Okay. Let's listen to it. That was actually scary. Normally, I'm not intimidated by Colombians, but I am today. 11 out of 10. Okay, Comoros. 4 out of 10. Republic of Congo. I'm not sure how to feel about that. I think the scariest part was the literal children crying. 7 out of 10. Okay, Cook Island. 2 out of 10. It's nothing scary. Costa Rica. Average. 5 out of 10. Ivory Coast. Why was that low-key kind of good? Look at this. Look at my hair standing up. I think we got an 8 out of 10 right here. Croatia. Imagine being lost at sea and you just hear this in the ocean and you're just like, what is that? Clearly a 7 out of 10. We've done about 100 alarms. These are seriously, they're destroying my brain. I feel like my head is about to collapse. But we're doing Cuba next. Who's scared of that? 0 out of 10. Toraccio. That sounds like repeatedly crashing your car over and over again. 9 out of 10. Cyprus. I literally hear that sound in my nightmares. Why? 10 out of 10. The Republic of Czech. It's like someone trying to make an alarm and failing miserably. Negative 100 out of 10. Congo! That voice though. Was he like telling me to die or something? Because that's what I want to do after hearing that alarm. 9 out of 10. I forgot to rate Italy, so I'm doing that now. 7 out of 10. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce this name. Just put it up on screen. Djibouti. No one told me there was gonna be a laser party. 0 out of 10. Dominica. What's that sound in the background there? It was like a tapping. 0 out of 10. I'm not scared of it. Are you scared of it? Dominican Republic. It's loud. That's loud. That's loud. 7 out of 10. It's loud! Sounds like an anime girl going wah wah, doesn't it? 1 out of 10. Egypt. I did not sign up for loud noises. Well, I guess technically I did. This was a bad video to make for sure. 7.9 out of 10. Next we're rating El Salvador.
Interrumpimos la programación habitual debido a una...
It's like the Spanish version of the American EAS alarm. 6 out of 10. Equatorial Guinea. That is the most unique sound I've ever heard in my life. 6 out of 10. Very bizarre. Eritrea. Uh, 4 out of 10. It's not scary, it's just weirding me out. We're nearly there. We've nearly got to the end. We're gonna get to the end and find out which country wins the award for scariest alarm. Estonia. I found the Siren Head origin. Let's go. 100 out of 10. Ethiopia. That sounds like someone is holding down the space bar in Roblox and the game is glitching out. That, I don't know about you, but that's scary. 7 out of 10. Okay, Faroe Islands. Why did every alarm suddenly get so scary? That's a 10 out of 10. The Falklands. Okay, scary. I can't handle this. 9 out of 10. Fiji.
Warning. This broadcast has been issued to you by the request of the Fijian government. A tsunami is bound to impact the entire nation. Please get to high ground and take shelter immediately.
If you were stuck on Fiji and a tsunami hit, what would you do to survive? How can you make it out of that? I guess you could climb a tree? 5 out of 10. Finland.
Se oli siis kansallinen radio.
I rated this one last time. Put the clip up. 0 out of 10. It's kind of relaxing, to be honest. I have to agree with young Normie here. Who plays instruments when you're dying? You should be screaming. You should be running around in the streets right now. 0 out of 10. France. It sounds literally like Morse code. That's not scary. 2 out of 10. Okay, French Guinea. 0 out of 10. French Polynesia. Why does France have so many islands and all of their EAS alarms suck? They're garbage. Literal trash. 0 out of 10. Gabon. You cannot tell me that doesn't sound like Pac-Man. That sounds like Pac-Man. 1 out of 10. Gambia. Six out of 10. Georgia. That is a 3 out of 10 at best. Shh, go to sleep, Georgia. You're gonna be okay. Germany. Guys, if you have not heard the Germany alarm yet, get ready for the most life-changing music you'll ever hear. It's not scary, but when they die vibing. 10 out of 10. Ghana. Eight out of 10. Gibraltar. No. 0 out of 10. Greece. The Greek gods came down from Olympus and blessed this country with a terrifying EAS alarm. It does not matter if there's an earthquake or a fire or a missile. If you hear this sound, you're already dead. 8 out of 10. Greenland.
Presidential alert.
The voice is speaking in Greenish, and I don't speak Greenish. 2 out of 10. Grenada. That one's scary. It's aggressive. It's like beating into my heart. 10 out of 10. Guadalupe. I can't even say this country's name. It's whatever. It's whatever. 2 out of 10. Wham! That literally sounds like someone dying. 7 out of 10. Guatemala.
Alerta nacional de emergencia. Alerta nacional de emergencia.
9 out of 10. I don't like loud things. Guinea. I can't get scared by this. 5 out of 10. Guinea-Bissau. 5 out of 10. Again. Guyana. Oh, I bit my tongue. Ah! You did this to me, Guyana! I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 because it's the only alarm to cause physical damage to me. Haiti. Oh, seems a little aggressive. Why you gotta be so aggressive like that? 6 out of 10. Honduras. Now. 0 out of 10. Hong Kong isn't a country, but they have their own alarm. That sound is gonna knock the roof of my house off. 10 out of 10. That's the amount of power that this alarm has. Hungary. 2 out of 10. Next is the land of ice. Iceland, where everything is made out of ice, apparently. That's a goofy alarm. I'm gonna give it a Quandale Dingle out of 10. Very goofy. India. I'm sorry to all my Indian homies, but it's just not that scary. 5 out of 10. There are so many alarms and I'm not gonna be finished today if I don't hurry up, so I'm just gonna rate them as quickly as possible. Let's just get through it. Indonesia. Indonesia, 4 out of 10. Ireland. 4 out of 10. Isle of Man. 9 out of 10. Jamaica. 10 out of 10. What the heck even is that? What is it? Jordan. It sounds like a giant demon screaming at the top of his lungs. 8 out of 10. Kazakhstan. That's the most base alarm I've ever heard. 1 out of 10. Kenya. Pathetic. 0 out of 10. Hey, Kiribati. 3 out of 10. Kosovo. This literally sounds like a nuclear reactor shutting down. 7.9 out of 10. Kurdistan. It's just an ambulance. 0 out of 10. Kuwait. Loud noises scare me. I can't handle loud noises. 10 out of 10. Kyrgyzstan. That's lame. That's not scary. 0. Lao. That is the literal sound of the earth exploding. 10 out of 10. Latvia. I don't know how to feel about that one. 5 out of 10. Lebanon. So scary, it made me throw my shoe. That's how scared I am. 7 out of 10. Lesotho. That is the sound of a giant monster. 9 out of 10. Liberia. 1 out of 10. That is a complete disgrace. A waste of sound. Libya. Can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. 7 out of 10. Liechtenstein. 2 out of 10. I hope that you're embarrassed to exist. You're a failure. You're not scary at all. Lithuania. 6 out of 10. Luxembourg. There is no audio. 10 out of 10 for the jump scare. Now for the Madagascar alarm. Madagascar? Madagascar? You let us down, Madagascar. I hope you're proud of yourself. 3 out of 10. Malawi. That is literally the sound of hell. 7 out of 10. 7. Woo! Yeah! The Maldives. Nah, no. Bad Maldives. Bad. 2 out of 10. Mali. What even is that? 0. 0 out of 10. Malta. That's a little different. 6 out of 10. Marshall Islands. That's weak. 0 out of 10. Mauritania. 8 out of 10. Mauritius. Weak. 2 out of 10. Mayotte. Weirdly creepy. Like, way creepier than it has any right being. 7 out of 10. Moldova. Is that... what even is that? What? 3 out of 10. Monaco. That's a 6 out of 10. Mongolia. 5. Montenegro. That sound makes me mildly uncomfortable. Congrats. 6 out of 10. Montserrat. This sound is breaking my brain. 7 out of 10. Maracos! This sounds like a police siren. I guess this would be scary if I was in a getaway car and the police are chasing me and I've just stolen 100 million Robux. 4 out of 10. Mozambique. Myanmar! To be honest, it sounds like random audio. 5 out of 10. Nambia. 0. Nepal. The cops are outside. Whoa. 9 out of 10. Yo, the Netherlands. 4 out of 10. Nicaragua. Okay, that was making me sweat, bro. I swear, I've never heard a sound like that in my entire life. 10 out of 10. Niger. It sounds like an incoming missile. How are you not supposed to be scared of that? 10 out of 10. Nigeria. 3 out of 10. North Macedonia. That guy's voice is creeping me out a little. What's he saying, huh? Is he calling in a missile strike on me? 9 out of 10. North Korea. This is the big guy. Kind of disappointing considering the lengths I went to get this audio. I had to crawl under Kim Jong-un's desk. I snuck into North Korea to get this. 5 out of 10. Norway review. Lame. 0 out of 10. Paraguay. 5 out of 10. Oman. That's the name of the country. Oman. 2 out of 10. Pakistan. 6 out of 10. Palau. Hey, boy, chill. They did not hold back. 9 out of 10. Panama. You can probably agree with me, that's not the scariest, like 1 out of 10 maybe. Papua New Guinea! Sounds like an ice cream truck. 0. Peru? That's a 10 out of 10. Poland! This is a different alarm to the one I heard last time. 7 out of 10. It's just casually creepy. Portugal. Wait, that was actually creepy. 7 out of 10. Qatar. Two out of 10. Romania. 4 out of 10. Rwanda. Not scary. Rejected. St. Kitts and Nevis. Just sounds like an elevator. 4. St. Lucia. Whoa. 9 out of 10. South Sudan. 0 out of 10. St. Vincent. I can't keep doing this. Look, if I heard that at night, I would freak out. Is that what you wanted to hear? 7 out of 10. Samoa. 8 out of 10. San Marino. I swear to God, no one has ever heard of this country, but their alarm is still a banger. 6.5 out of 10. Senegal. Was that real? What did I just listen to? That's gotta be fake. 100 out of 10. Serbia. 0 out of 10. Sierra Leone. Cringe. That's the cringiest alarm I've ever heard. Negative 1 out of 10. Slovakia. Boring. 0. Slovenia. 2.5 out of 10. Solomon Islands. It sounds like a robot trying to imitate what an EAS alarm would sound like. 4 out of 10. South Africa. Zero out of 10. Spain. This is another one of those ones that just sounds like Morse code. Morse code isn't creepy. 0. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka gets a beep 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 out of 10. Sudan. 2 out of 10. Suriname. 5.5 out of 10. Switzerland. There we go. That's a good scary one. That is scary. 8.9999 out of 10. Timor-Leste. 4 out of 10. I'm being generous. Syria. I have no idea why everything blew up at the end. I can't explain it. 4 out of 10. Tanzania? That should be like a villain's entrance music theme. You just walk in the house and that starts playing. 4 out of 10. Thailand. 7 out of 10. Togo. Beep, 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 beep. 4 out of 10. Tonga. Stop with the beeping. It's not creepy. 0 out of 10. Trinidad. Again with the beeping. What is with the beeping? Come on. That's not even remotely scary. 0. Tunisia. That's kind of creepy, yeah. It's kind of creepy. 8 out of 10. Turkey. Honestly, this sounds the exact same as the previous one, so I'm gonna give it the exact same rating. Turkmenistan. 3 out of 10. Tuvalu. I don't even know where these countries are at this point, but that's lame. 2 out of 10. I'm disappointed in you. Uganda. Somebody just decided to explode the microphone. That's a good enough alarm for me. 7 out of 10. United Arab Emirates. It makes me punch the wall in anger because of how not scary it is. 0 out of 10. Some of these are just so lame, man. The United Kingdom. It's just a little scary, so 5 out of 10. Uruguay. What? No, Uruguay. 7.1921 out of 10. Uzbekistan. Sounds like a Pokemon soundtrack. Not scary. 3.5 out of 10. Vanuatu. Yeah, I'm scary. This alarm isn't scary. 4 out of 10. Vatican. This is where all the Catholics hang out, bro. The Pope knows how to party. It's not scary, but it is a vibe. 8 out of 10. Venezuela. 4 out of 10. Vietnam. It's the screams of 100,000 people. Terrifying. 10 out of 10. Yemen? 2 out of 10. Zambia? That sounds like screaming. 4 out of 10. Next we're going to Chile. This footage was recorded at night, which is the scariest time to hear an EAS alarm. I don't care how old you are or how tough you think you are. If you hear this at night, you are going to piss your pants. 11 out of 10. Zimbabwe. That's actually also creepy. 8 out of 10. Netherlands. This sound will single-handedly scare away the hurricane. 10 out of 10. Okay, Argentina. They broadcast this one on the TV as well.
Continuaremos en servirle en el norte del Valle de Sacramento. Si usted no está en esta área, contacte su estación local para proveerse de noticias.
It kind of looks like one of those cursed broadcasts that you have 7 days to live after you watch. Run, 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 run. 9 out of 10. Bulgaria. Nine out of 10. Lithuania.
Priešgaisrinės apsaugos ir gelbėjimo departamentas prie vidaus reikalų ministerijos informuoja.
Nah, man, I can't deal with this. I can't do this. Why is it so creepy? Hey, I forgot to rate that at the time, but that is definitely a 10 out of 10, so I'm rating it now. 10 out of 10. Denmark! Denmark! Put it up. Denmark! Okay, let's just listen to it. That is scary. 9 out of 10. Now the country you've all been waiting for. The USA. This is the alarm that they send out to your phone. Honestly, I think it's even less scary than when I first heard it. Like a 5 out of 10 at best. This next alarm is from Michigan. They have their own alarm for some reason.
From the Michigan Executive Office of Governor, non-essential travel is prohibited.
Michigan was slightly scarier just because of the voice. He's creepy. 7 out of 10. That was the last alarm. So now, which country has the scariest EAS alarm? Australia wins. This is nothing to do with the fact that I'm in Australia, okay? I'm an unbiased judge. I'm incredibly unbiased. I paused the video, but the alarm hasn't stopped.